You probably got here first.
Those kids, the nakit ko. What's Chinese? Ni hao. See, we went down here before. There's no one here, right? How much is that kind of boat? You can paddle. It's a boat with a propeller.
You have to attach the propeller though. Sometimes it can detach. You actually just
motor is mounted. You can see it. See the black.
yeah. You buy that from
Wait, how come that last time it felt longer? Oh, we went down
You
there.
already have the
Oh, there's people crabbing.
Oh, we didn't go there before. You can.
Up to you.
I'm gonna get a St. John. Whatever you call that.
I'm gonna get one with a padlock. I'm gonna get a padlock.
See, like those two.
Yeah.
It's only, it's gonna be like this big of a hole there.
It's illegal to what? To feed seals. What can you even feed seals? Fish?
What if you ask them?
I didn't feed the fish. I mean, I didn't feed the seal.
I fed the fish.
I fed fish.
But the seal ate it.
I like that house. I want that house. See that house? That big rock.
You don't even
Yeah,
need to.
you own the rock.
Said that big rock. They own it too.
I know.
It goes all the way down there to the big mansion. No?
That one, at top.
Yeah. No, not that one. That.
Why that one? Yeah,
That one. It goes all the way there.
Honestly, I'd take any of them.
Yeah. Even that one with the gold roof.
That one's still under construction.
That one, yeah.
And the gold roof one's pretty sick.
What's up there? Look at that greenhouse.
That one,
Look at the green up there.
It's old though, but
Scary.
It's
It's
old,
already
but
been
so
living
old.
up a lot.
the only thing is you're like, that's your only way in and out.
Yeah.
You're like stuck back here.
I'd rather be stuck here
Where can we in the
It's a
boat?
forest fire. How do you get out?
by boat.
Yeah.
The boat to the other side.
A seal! Oh, they're fighting!
See, go here because they know there's people. No, there's people there too. No, they eat fish. What is that floating there?
Dead bird?
Oh, those the big one, no? I don't really see that there.
There's geese and then there's seagulls.
All
What is that
fish.
floating thing? It looks like it's floating, no? Yeah.
It's like a plastic.
I thought it was a bird. But yeah.
It's not. It's it looks like a Coca-Cola container or
No, baby.
I want to fly, but I don't want to be.
Look at that boat.
plane. Fly a plane.
Oh, look at that boat. Some people there like have a boat.
Where?
There, boat. You can see a
Oh,
boat.
that one. Yeah.
One I think is some kind of official.
Nakano sila here.
In loving memory of E. Arthur Martin. 1990. What? Look at this. That guy was born in 1990 and then he died in 2020. How old is that guy? 110? What? Wait, what?
No,
Hold on.
20. I mean 30. Wait,
Oh, 1990. I was thinking 8. Wait.
1990 is 10.
I was thinking 19 to
20,
100.
30, no? He died at 30.
Actually, right?
Loving son and father.
Am I right? 30 years old?
Yeah, it's a 30-year-old, no, Ryan? 1990 to
10
2020.
years is 20.
Yeah, 30. 30 years
10
old.
years
old.
is 10.
20 plus 10.
30 years old.
20, 30.
I was thinking 1900, but it's actually 1990.
No, 19.
1990, right?
19 because he was born November. He didn't even reach November. So he's 19.
19?
I mean, 29.
29.
29, not 19. 29.
We only wish he was 19.
Look at that, Scott. There's a ladder there. Why? Do you
That's
actually
how
use
you
that?
fall. No, if you
There's
fall.
nothing there.
It's a boat. It's inflatable with the thing.
Those are inflatable, but not, if that makes sense.
It's inflatable with propeller.
But it doesn't, you don't inflate it.
Can we get something here?
You don't deflate it.
Right? Imagine three was there.
It's scary.
Scary, though, no?
I would get some inflatable.
It's scary. No, it can flip. Go. It can
As long
flip.
as you
No.
distribute the weight properly, you'll be
And then you don't stand up.
I guess it's big enough. It's not that small in a way when you're there. I want something like that.
Deflate that.